Okay, so I've officially hit the 6-month mark of content that I'm going to show you here. I'm editing this. Like, I'm sorry, but I mean, obviously I'm not a full-time blogger, and I feel like every month when I upload, like, I make this excuse, but there's just nothing I can do about it. Like, the biggest thing that I did, I just launched the big Elliott Wave Mastery course. I mean, that was a huge launch. So that was been my focus. Just got back from Vegas Traders Expo. I did vlog that. So I've got a ton of content. I can't wait to get it up there. Hopefully you like it. If not, I mean, that's fine. I totally understand. So this one, just kind of talking about maybe one of the worst cryptocurrency exits of all time. So I'll show you that trade, and then I head upstate to the distillery to release our new whiskey, which is kind of fun, talking to my partner Ryan and his fiance Lindsay about that, and whatever, not much. And then the next one I'm looking forward to getting out, that one is going to take you to Colorado, which is really fun for my family reunion, my grandma's 90th birthday. Got some cool footage there, so I'm really looking forward to editing that one. I'm hopefully going to get on that one right away and get that up quick. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Content's really old. I'm really going to try to get caught up here a little bit and do it more real time. But if you would, please hit the thumbs up and the like button. Let me know you're watching, you enjoy it. Throw a comment below. Tell me I'm a loser for taking 6 months to get footage up. Please. Thanks for watching. Stock markets are hanging in there pretty well. I just bought the IWM, which is a small cap Russells. It's starting to hold like this fib support. And so what I did, instead of buying the stock or buying calls, you sell puts, which is a bullish trade. So I did that. Also, I did a video a while ago about entering Bitcoin right before that Winklevoss thing. So Bitcoin's kind of gone parabolic, and I think I got to get out of some. So let's trade it. Bitcoin was at 944. Remember after the Winklevoss? I bought Bitcoin right around the ETF announcement when the Winklevi got shut down by the SEC while they're revisiting the ETF. Plus, I could be so stupid by doing this, by selling now. But I was always taught as a trader, sell when you can, not when you have to. I'm a little concerned because I've never taken profits on this trade, and I've been in it since right here, back in 2015. I'm kind of sad to let it go. It's like 2015, I guess it's 2017. I mean, we're talking a year and a half was when I bought my first Bitcoin, and I've never sold any. Daniel, should I do it, or am I completely wimping out?
I think it's always smart to book a bit of profit.
Yeah, but what if this thing just goes to like 2,000 tonight? And that's the thing that you always face. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, the trade has been amazing. I mean, I've tripled this account. Like, crazy.
It's always good to not be greedy, Todd.
Yes, I know you're right, Daniel. He's right, but at the same point, you got to have the courage to take massive profits. And that's something that people have a hard time doing, is having the courage to take massive profits. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to take profits, not because I'm wimping out, but I want to make sure that this broker lets me take profits. I want to make sure that I physically can close the trade. Okay. And this is one account that I have. I'm going to sell 2 Bitcoin. Uh-oh. I'm glad I'm doing this when the market's going up. How do you sell? This is hard. Daniel, you're smart. Can you come help me with this?
All right.
So, like, all right.
Okay, to tell. USD limit.
Total USD limit.
Why?
Let me do that.
Is that maximum?
See, this is why I'm glad I'm finding this out. So. Ooh. I don't know what to do.
Maybe there's a daily limit on what you can take out.
That would be shady.
Yeah, it would be. I imagine price drops. On small amounts. Ooh, I don't know, Todd.
To be determined.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny to see the Canadian with the American flag over his head. Okay, so update. I like tweeted them, they didn't get back to me. I tried to get online on my mobile phone, and they finally got it. So the price has come off pretty sharply. So it went from $16.20 down to $14.50 in like no time. So I got $1,900 off at the top, $1,900. I'm gonna sell some more. So I've been booking profits. I'm gonna keep booking more profits. This is pretty dicey. So I'm gonna sell $8,000 worth right there, which winds up being 5.18 Bitcoins. Look at the fee, $119 fee, crazy. Look who's here. We have this ongoing thing about like passwords. I've been trying to get her to write, like come up with a list of your passwords so you always know where they are. But either she doesn't want to do it that way, she doesn't like that way, or she doesn't like it when her husband makes like suggestions. She gets like, no, I don't want to do it that way. So she's here trying to print something out on that computer, get it into her Nordstrom account, but she can't remember her passwords. Do you want me to come up with a way, like a system, to always remember them? Or to write them down?
Well, normally it's the same password for every little thing. But for some reason, Nordstrom is different. And it's saved on my computer, but I have no idea what it is. And I don't want to change it.
You're up against a green screen. I'm going to put some really funny backgrounds behind you.
Alright, I gotta go upstairs. Thanks, bye.
That's it.
Thanks for coming. Did you get it? No. Oh. This is a show called Drones in a Distillery.
The Saratoga Springs whiskey finished in wine barrels. This is an experiment that we teamed up with Saratoga Winery to do. So this was a mature whiskey when we put it in. It's been in here for 2 months. And we're just checking to see how the color's doing, how the flavor's doing, how the nose is doing.
This one was the Malvoisie grape.
Yeah, it's the one they use in their rustic red. It's changed on the nose. It's got a nice darker color. It's a California grape. It's very like plummy, like a deep, rich kind of plummy grape. It's getting a lot better.
How many bottles are you going to produce with this?
These are experiments. So these is blackberry honey and Malvoisie. Each of these barrels will make about 60 bottles. So 10 cases apiece, and this is our experiment. If it goes well, we'll fill some of these bigger barrels with it.
We breed them tough at upstate New York and upstate distilling. Hi! They're so excited for candy. Hey, I have a new toy. Let's check it out. Comes in a carrying case. Cool. Wow, they sure do a good job packing this thing. Cool! What I'm gonna do is, instead of using those cheap Logitech webcams for stuff, I'm gonna up the game and put the Canon XA10 up, put some lights around it, and kind of up my webcam game. Off. Whoa! That's That's really bright. Holy cow. You can see how old I am and how tired I am because the kids got up at 5:30. And that is the lowest setting. Boy, that's pretty good. Cool. Who's that?
Sheep.
Where are you? How's that work? Whoa, there's a lot of you in there. How many Jakes are there? I can only handle one.
2.
How many Jakes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Focus, Sony.
That's it. We're